Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Seems like all of our videos are a little bit different here lately. We are a travel channel, but it seems like the making videos have really caught steam and they're taking off and making our channel grow, so I'm going to go with it. We still will be doing travel videos, but today's video is a tool review. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. I will try to put a link down in the description. The brand is Bibury or Bibury, B-I-B-U-R-Y. Got it. This is like the knockoff of Leatherman, but if you've priced Leathermans lately, you know they're quite expensive. So I'm going to show you this. It comes with a little sheath that I like it because it'll clip right on your belt. You don't have to take your belt off. You just clip it on there. When you're done, you take it off. Or it's got a clip on it where you can just stick it in your pocket. I will tell you this, if you get one, don't put this in the sheath upside down. I just did that and like I never got it out because that'll catch on that. There is a packet of, well, I'll get back to that in a minute. So it's made out of stainless steel. Seems to be pretty good quality. There are other ones on the market that are different brands that have replaceable cutter jaws. I didn't think about that when I bought these, but the knife, let's see, it's an 18 tool thing. So you got pliers and wire cutters. It's also got a file. Let's see here, let me close this up. Got a file that's diamond on one side and then crosshatch on the other, and all the blades have a locking mechanism, which I think I kind of like that because I have had cheaper multi-tools before that would close on you. It's got one blade that's serrated, which I'm not really a fan of, but you know, some people like it. And then on the other side it's got a little saw, and this blade right out of the box, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it will shave you right out of the box. I haven't done anything to it. Okay, so then on the inside it's got little scissors. They do pretty good. Eyeglass screwdriver, another flat head. What's this other one? A bottle opener. But the really cool thing about this one is it's got this, so you can use standard screwdriver bits, the 1/4-inch drives, and it has this with it that has 6 different ones. You got a couple of Torx, Flat and Phillips. It's not anything big. You're not going to be tearing into any kind of big machinery, but sometimes you need something small, and it's pretty handy to have. I work maintenance. I'm a journeyman mechanic at a facility, and I think this will be pretty handy for me on the job. So anyway, this I got on Amazon, and I believe it was like 30 some bucks. There was a coupon and a discount. It was discounted and then it had a coupon, so it was right around 30 bucks, I think. I will, like I said, put a link in the description. If you're interested, you can pick yourself one up. I'm having a cup of coffee here, and I hope you all have a good day. If you got value out of this, please like and subscribe, and feel free to share this video. I got the name of this from another YouTube channel. I'll try to put his information, a link to his videos in the description. Can't remember the name of his channel. It's something EDC. I've got it marked, so I will put it in the description if you want to follow him. He's a really cool guy, and he pretty much daily puts out videos about these kind of tools, multi-tools and knives and whatnot. So anyway, hope you all have a good day. like and subscribe, share with others. It really helps our channel grow. We just passed the 100 mark a couple of days ago. We're pretty excited about that. Some people don't think it's a big deal, but it is to us, and we're going to be doing a giveaway. Matter of fact, when I wrap this video up, I'm going to start filming another one for the giveaway, so be looking for that. And some more tool review videos. I've got another tool I'm going to show y'all that I got from China, but anyway, y'all have a good day, and we will see you soon.